Now, the Sanskrit word for India is Bharat. And I'm not sure if many people know this, but the meaning of Bharat is very interesting. It comes from the root Bhaya Ratam iti Bharatam. Bha means light. One who pursues light is a Bharatiya. Light in this case is knowledge, it's wisdom, it's personal enlightenment, and so on. And a society that's built on this foundation is a rich society. A rich society, certainly financially, as India has been for thousands of years of its existence, but also a wealthy society culturally.